This is Rod Kusanen, Spooman for Risk for Thursday, August the 4th, 2011. Dow's down over 500 points. We are making a quick video of a strategy that we're tweaking at the moment. We've made some adjustments in our typical strategy to account for a condition that we believe should cause us to hold a trade regardless of any other strategy that might suggest that we move in the opposite direction. There's a little glitch in it that we're fixing. We know what the problem was. Since we have multiple strategies on a workspace, those multiple strategies were not communicating quite correctly. And so, as you see in the middle of the screen right now, we've got a variety of kind of conflicting trades here that took place. We fixed that problem, but in order to preserve what took place, I'm using the video to at least show what has happened today, and for the most part, how the strategy is holding the trade until a special condition prevails to tell the strategy to exit. Okay. So we took this real nice short trade here right after 1 o'clock. We got into that situation right in here. Now we had a long trade right there, as you can see, and then these couple of shorts, and then a long again. And as I said, we're fixing that problem. But once we got back into the long, the trade was held right up until this next short trade over here. So that short trade came down, moved back up, and we broke even on that trade. Then it went long again, broke even on that trade, and then went short. And what's really interesting, and if you've been watching our videos, we've been talking a lot about ZSCORE. I love it. I just want to mention something about ZSCORE for the benefit of those of you who want everything free. I'll give you something free. If you don't know what ZSCORE is, you need to find out. And TradeStation has the ability to run ZSCORE, and we use it. And what I really like about it is this. Because ZSCORE, in effect, is a calculation of standard deviation, that means it's mean reverting. So it's going to move back toward the zero line. But when you're tracking the Spoos, what's really cool about that, notice how we shorted it here, went long, and then went short again at practically the same price. Okay? It's maybe a couple of ticks off. And therefore, from the standpoint of capturing the big move, if we use this ZSCORE in the right manner, and we get these incidents where there's some volatility, we're not going to lose much. We're not going to lose much in a volatile market. We may drop, and it comes back, and ZSCORE basically gets us into the long trade very close to the same price we went short. So even if we had no other means to prevent us from getting out of the trade, ZSCORE would be very effective in doing that. And then once we get into the trade that's really going to move in the direction of the trend, we hold the trade. That's great. And so here we have that very same situation. We shorted it up here, it held, came back down. Z-score takes us out of that trade, and we went long. Then a little while later, market comes back down to about the same price, and we go short again. Beautiful. Beautiful. You got the same situation over here. Long trade, this short is exited, then we go long, and then we go short again, practically at the same price. That is beautiful. That is just beautiful. And if you look at, now we were trading 5 contracts on this, but as you can see, yeah, that's doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Not a lot of trades, but very profitable trades. And that's what this is all about. So we're very happy with what we're seeing going on with this new feature of our strategy. We've got some new bells and whistles, but what we just did as a result of the use of our Z-score, wow. I must say, I have not been as impressed with anything that we've done previously that equals what we are doing today. This is really, really good. And while granted we've had some big moves in the market, and that's a little unusual, 500 points down on the Dow, yeah, you ought to be able to have a good day if you know what you're doing. But even in a market that is comparatively sideways, Z-score will be effective. So I'm really happy for that. So come to our website. We're beginning to post some new data on our website, and you can see some of the things that we're doing with regard to Z-score. But we invite you to ask for a demo. Now, we just don't want to do a demo just to waste our time, because we usually spend one-on-one 1 to 2 hours or even more than that with those who have requested a demo, and we provide you in that demo with information that I guarantee will make you a better trader, a more profitable trader. We'll give you information for free that you can use to improve your own trading style. So by all means, if you're a serious trader and you want to improve, and if you've been trading for a while and you're struggling and it's not working out for you and you're blowing out an account, well, before that ever happens, ask for some help. We've been at this for well over a decade, and yeah, we've been where most traders don't want to be. There's no reason that you can't be profitable every day. That's our goal. Be profitable every day. Is that possible? Well, when you take a demo with us, we're going to show you things that yeah, you probably have never seen before. Things that will help you to be profitable. So, this is Rod Kusanen, Spooman for Risk.